Who can say no to an old-fashioned M&M cookie? These are so nostalgic, and I'm sure you'll love them, and they're easy to whip up. So let's get right into it. So the first thing you want to do is melt some butter. Make sure it's not too hot though when you add the sugars. So I have a mixture of brown sugar and white sugar, and you just mix that up with the butter until the sugar has pretty much dissolved into the butter. And then you're going to add 1 egg. Okay, so just whisk that up. And then once that's whisked in, then you're going to add a little bit of vanilla or to taste. Once that's mixed in, then you're going to add your dry ingredients. So I've already sifted these dry ingredients and mixed them together. They're just all-purpose flour, some baking soda, and salt. And you're going to want to fold that in. I recommend using just a spatula or a spoon because you don't want to overmix the dry ingredients with the wet ones. And once almost all the flour is mixed in, then you can add in your M&Ms or any other mix-ins that you want. So fold that in gently together, and then you're pretty much done. Just refrigerate the dough because it might be too hard to roll right now. So once the dough's refrigerated for about an hour, then you can roll it into balls. And I got about 8 balls out of it. And then you're ready to bake in a preheated oven set at 375. And that's it. Once they're done, just let them cool a little bit, and then you're ready to enjoy. Look at how soft and moist these cookies are. I'm sure you and your family will love them, so let me know how they turn out. I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.